as senators. There is nothing new that we are doing.
Godfrey Gitahi Kariuki kana Gigi Kariuki arakwirwo tuko wa gukia umuthi akirigitwo thibitari-ini ya Nairobi kurumirira ndwari ya ihinda. Gigi Kariuki niwe mubunge uria wikarite bunge-ini kahinda karaya makiria bunge-ini iria iriga kuhingo na ambiririo teti mwaka-ini wa 1952 nginyagia gikuo giake. Gigi Kariuki ni urari senator wa kaunti ya Laikipia gitikiria ari na itanya ria gutetera mbere ya kuhotwo hindi ya wamurani wa kiama kia Jubilee. Akoretwo bunge-ini rungu rwa thirikari ciothe inya bũrũri-inĩ kuma hindi ya wiyathi harĩ minister thirikari-inĩ ya Jomo Kenyatta na Daniel Moi. Mwaka-inĩ wa 1969 nĩguo athurirwo munini wa minister wa migunda mbere ya kwamũrwo ta minister wa ũgitĩri mwaka-inĩ wa 1978. Oni thutha wa gĩkuũ kĩa mzee Jomo Kenyatta. President Uhuru Kenyatta munini wake William Ruto na mutongoria wa mugethinio Raila Odinga ni amwe aria matongoretia a Kenya gucakaya gikuũ kia Gigi Kariuki. Atitoya makiuga Gigi ni njamba ya gutura ririkanitwo guku bũrũri-inĩ. Ageni aruna ake bunge-ini ya Senate na aria macakaite muthuri uria maugite uramaheaga mataro gikaro-ini kia bunge ya Senate.
He was a silent walker, a listener, and somebody who would meditate a lot before he would answer your question.
We refer to him as Senator number 1, a man for whom we had the greatest respect. He was very, very respected and venerated in the Senate, a man of great wisdom, a man of great character.
Gigi Kariuki ni erga kuhubwo thũmbĩ University-ini ya Nairobi kaida kanini tu thutha wake kuandika ibuku rĩgiĩ mũtũrĩre wake.
Na ni mzee alikuwa na khibra kubwa kuhusu haya mambo, na ni mzee ambaye alikuwa na subra wakati tulikuwa bunge.
I've known Gigi for very many years, and he's a man of his principle mind, with few words, but calculating what he said.
Kariuki got his PhD, a Doctor of Philosophy, when he was 78 years old. And it is an example to the young people of this country.
Ria muthia kwariria muingi ni hindi munini wa President William Ruto heriga gucera kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Na ona gutuika Gigi Kariuki ndari na hinya muingi wa kwariria muingi ni aririe kirindi kiria kiayumiritie.
Muuliza huyu siku gani alinipa kitu? Wali unaona mimi nasimama na makoti. Let me say it today. Hii kiti mulinipa si ya matatu. Mtu anatoka na ingia na mwingine anaingia. Hii ni kiti very serious. I'll give people of this county very good time to do the selection of the person they want next time.
Gigi Kariuki niwe senator wa kana gũkua bunge-ini ya kahinda gaka thutha wa maseneta Mutula Kilonzo, Otieno Kajwang na Boy Juma Boy gũkua mĩeri mĩnini mĩhĩtũku. Griffon Tera Inoro TV rĩtũroko na Macharia wa Gachuru.